Another day, another BitPOS feature, and in this video, I am going to show you how our BitPOS system work with split payment po. So, papakita ko po sa inyo. So, this is the device that I'll be using right now. Meron po siyang front screen for the display. Tap ko lang po yung mga product list ko. So, I'm going to randomly select any items here. Ayan, and every time na nag-a-add po tayo, automatically po dumadagdag po siya dito sa kabila. So, as you can see here, the list of products, this is the total amount. Say, for example, if I tap tender po, they want to select, mag-GCash pay daw si customer, and they want to pay a worth 1,000 peso via GCash po. Input the reference number and then tap proceed. Automatically, makikita sa baba, GCash pay is 1,000. And yung 519 po, they wanted to pay it via cash, which is worth 520 yung binigay. And you will see here, meron akong sukle na 1,000 pesos. And this is my cash and GCash payment. Tender ko lang po ito. Automatically, ayan, papakita ko lang po yung mga receipts natin. So, this is my sample receipt po. You will see here yung ating GCash pay, yung ating cash pay po, and you will see the breakdown dito sa ating receipt po. Alright? So, if you want to know more how the system works po, please book an online demo and message us today.